Hi guys, what's up? Tim Queenie, and today's question is, do you know how to go viral on LinkedIn? Yes, I know. I know quite a bit about this, and I went viral many times on LinkedIn. The most popular viral post I ever had accumulated over 3.5 million views. That was kind of crazy because never happened to me before, and you can imagine like how my notification will like beeping every few seconds. And it was almost impossible. I was trying to reply to most people in the comments. It was just like impossible because LinkedIn at the time was like so not optimized. So whenever you like expanding, like see more, every time you load 10 more comments, it would slow down by like 10% after like a while. And then like the website would like become super slow. Like the next 10 might take like a minute or so to load. So that was quite an experience. It's so what I learned from that is what you need if you want to go viral. Be kind of at the right place at the right time and just hit like a general feeling that everyone is feeling, but nobody else has talked about it yet. If I want to summarize it like in one sentence. So what do I mean by that? It's basically you have to continuously post content on a regular basis. I recommend really if you want to go viral, post daily and really improve your skill set when you're creating content. As you get better in writing content, better at filming yourself on LinkedIn videos, you get better and better content through practice, through repetition, but it also makes sure that whenever you're posting something, that there is another chance to be there at the right time. Maybe the right time was exactly when you posted your post. And by just being a little bit more adventurous, by thinking about like what benefit could reading or viewing my post have for everyone else, you can quickly figure out like potential topics that have the potential to go viral. Like when I'm thinking about like benefits, like I'm also thinking about like benefits in terms of like someone might be entertained, someone might feel relief because someone is speaking about something they have been thinking or worrying about for a really long time, but like nobody really addresses it. You could be the relief valve for someone who has been like breathing over some topic, and you're like finally the one who's like putting some sense behind what it actually means. So someone is like really just entertained, or it's just very inspirational story. It really has to touch a lot of people's hearts. So if you're writing something about like very niche specific mathematical concept within quantum physics, like you will not go viral because it's way too specific. The number of people who would care about such a narrow detail is just too small. You have to find something that is touching a lot of people's hearts. And so it has to be quite generic, and it requires a lot of skill to write those posts, and then you have to show up continuously. Now, if you want to learn how to go viral, I have many lessons in my LinkedIn Accelerator program, which break down this entire process like in great detail, so you can really understand how to create better posts on a regular basis that all have the potential to go viral. There is never a guarantee that you will, but if you follow the formula and you improve yourself on every day, you show up every day, you increase the chances that one of your posts will eventually go viral dramatically. So check out the LinkedIn Accelerator program. I'm going to put the link down in the description and into the pinned comment below. Also smash the subscribe button, turn the notification bell on, and I see you in the next one. Bye.